Good morning. Welcome to my channel, Shehre Banu's Tips and Tricks for Exam. Here I am with second part of concepts and their keywords used in business studies of class 12. Let's begin. Chapter 7, Directing. The keywords are executive function or key managerial function. The concept is directing. Overseeing employees, supervision. Stimulating employees, motivation. Influencing employees, leadership. Exchange of information between two persons. The concept is communication. Communication through official channel. The concept is formal communication. Grapevine. The concept is informal communication. Now we switch on to the next chapter. Chapter 8, Controlling. The keywords are backward-looking function. Now this is used for controlling as well as planning. Key result area or KRA. The concept is critical point control. If you try to control everything, you may end up controlling nothing. The concept is management by exception. Now we move to next chapter. Chapter 9, Financial Management. Optimal procurement as well as usage of finance. The concept is financial management. Blueprint of financial activities. The concept is financial planning. Ensure that enough funds are available at right time. The concept is the same, financial planning. Decision affecting financial risk and profitability of a business. The concept is capital structure decision. Debt equity ratio. The concept is capital structure. Proportion of debt in the overall capital. The concept is financial leverage. Increase in profit earned by the equity shareholders. The concept is trading on equity. Cost incurred by a company in offering its securities to the public, like stationery, underwriting fees, advertisement, commission, etc. The concept is flotation cost. Now we move on to the next chapter, Chapter 10, Financial Market. Link savers and investors by mobilizing funds between them. The concept is financial market. Short-term funds which deal in monetary assets. The concept is money market. Short-term funds for meeting the temporary shortages of cash. The concept is the same, money market. Zero coupon bond. The concept is treasury bill, or even we call it as T-bill. Issued by large and creditworthy companies to raise short-term funds. The concept is commercial paper. Bridge financing. The concept is the same, commercial paper. Used for interbank transaction. The concept is called money. New issue market. The concept is primary market. Market for existing securities. The concept is secondary market. Privilege given to existing shareholders to subscribe to new issue of shares. The concept is rights issue. Holding securities in electric form. The concept is dematerialization. Now we move on to the next chapter, chapter 11, marketing. The keywords are marketing through emphasis on low cost of production, affordability, availability. Here we use production concept. Marketing through emphasis on good quality of product. Here we use product concept. Marketing through emphasis on aggressive advertising and sales promotion. Here we use selling concept. Marketing through emphasis on making an effort to find wants of people and fill them. Here we use marketing concept. Marketing through emphasis on adopting environmental friendly techniques. Here we use societal marketing concept. Set of controllable factors or variables. The concept is elements of marketing mix. Paid form of non-personal way of communication. The concept is advertising. Personal form of communication. The concept is personal selling. Image, goodwill of business. The concept is public relation. Which can be uttered or spoken. The concept is brand name. Which cannot be uttered or spoken. The concept is brand mark. Registered brand name. The concept is trademark. Offering products at special price. The concept is rebate. Offering products at less than list price. The concept is discount. Now we move on to the last chapter, chapter 12, consumer protection. Protection against hazardous goods. The concept is right to safety. To have complete information about the product. The concept is right to be informed. Freedom to choose from a variety of products. The concept is right to choose. File a complaint in case of dissatisfaction with a good or a product. The concept is right to be heard. Right to get relief. The concept is right to seek redressal. And right to acquire knowledge and be well informed. The concept is right to consumer education. Hope these keywords and their concepts will help you fare well in your upcoming exams. Do like, subscribe.